In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at kale. Kale might remind you of lettuce, and it can be used in many of the same ways, but it's a deeper green, hardier, and has more nutritional value than lettuce. It's also available year-round. There are several different varieties of kale, the most common of which are red Russian, lacinato, and curly kale. If you're not going to use it right away, place kale in a plastic bag and store it in the fridge. It'll stay for about a week. You'll know it's going bad if it starts to turn yellow or begins to wilt. When using kale, start by placing it in a large bowl of clean water and massage the leaves to remove any dirt or grit. Then, place it in another bowl or a colander to dry. The most fun way to prepare kale is to strip it. Just hold it by the base and quickly run your fingers along the stem. You'll get the hang of it after a few tries. Kale can be used as the base of many types of salad dishes. Kale can also be sautéed in a pan with garlic. This makes a delicious snack or a side dish to any meal. Kale can even be used in smoothies. Just add a couple leaves to whatever else you normally put in your smoothie. There are many ways to enjoy kale, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.